Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shoya and thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to be talking about 5 ways that you can actually stay motivated, because for the most part, a lot of us, myself included, you're not motivated all the time, okay? There's some days where you're having an off day and you just don't want to do anything at all, okay? I have those days. Sometimes I have those days more often than not, but it's important to keep these 5 things in check so that way you can keep striving towards your goals, okay? So let's get into it. All right, so tip number 1, you want to get clear on your goals. You want to get clear on why you are embarking on this journey in the first place, okay? You want to make sure that it is super clear. I can't stress it enough. You want to make sure that it is actually something that you want to do and not something that someone else is telling you to do or someone else is suggesting that you do, because if it's for someone else or if it's based off of someone else's request, you're not going to do it, okay? So you want to make sure that it's actually something that you want to achieve, something that you want to see for yourself and not because of someone else or whatever other standards somebody has on you or whatnot, okay? So you want to make sure that you are clear on your goals, figure out why you are doing this in the first place, okay? Figure out why, because when stuff starts to get hard, you're gonna need that why to get you through the tough parts, to get you through the challenges, okay? Because it's not gonna be easy no matter what road you're embarking on, whether it be a fitness journey or a new job or whatever the case may be. You have to figure out why you're doing this in the first place. Otherwise, you will stop dead in your tracks, or you will quit earlier than you should. You wouldn't take yourself to the end, okay? So get clear on your why so that way you can actually hit the goals that you want to see, okay? So tip number 2 for staying motivated is to set yourself up for success. Setting yourself up for success includes planning out your workouts. You have to plan them out, otherwise you're going to be left to say, I don't know what I'm doing today, which has happened to me before, and I know it has happened to you too. So that is super, super important. Plan out your workouts, plan ahead, so that way you can actually crush your goals, all right? So the second part of that is to also plan out your meals, all right? You don't want to be having a good workout and then you get home or you're ready to eat and you're just like, whoa, I don't know what to eat. That's happened to me before, and I'm sure that's happened to you before. So it's important so you know what to eat after a workout, or reach out to a friend, reach out to a trainer and ask, hey, what should I be eating after a meal? Or hey, what should I be eating before a meal? All right? It's important that you plan out your workouts along with planning out your meals, all right? Which brings me now to tip number 3. Find a community, find a support group, find an accountability partner. Support groups, accountability partner, or a community, they will be so helpful to you on your journey. All right, they're gonna help you stay motivated on the days where you are not motivated to do anything at all. Okay, it happens, and it's okay that it happens. That's why you have your support group, your community, or your accountability partner to go to. But I will say that no one else can do the work for you except for you. All right, you have to remember, you can get all the motivational videos, all the motivation from your friends, your family, your support group, but if you don't get up and move, nothing will happen for you. So I do have to stress that nothing will happen for you unless you are getting up and moving and applying these tips, all right? So again, find a support group, find an accountability partner, listen to what they're saying to you when you're feeling down or when you're not feeling motivated, and put in the work. The only way things can happen is if you put in that work. And now tip number 4. Tip number 4 is to have fun. Have fun. If you're not having fun, then this whole thing is not gonna work, okay? It's not gonna work for your greatest good, all right? So you wanna make sure you are having fun with the workouts. If you're bored of it, change it up. If you think it's too difficult, switch it up again. Just switch it up. Make sure you're enjoying yourself throughout the entire workout. Make sure you're enjoying yourself through the entire journey, okay? There will be difficult parts, but if the overall journey is just like, ugh, I don't wanna do this anymore, or ugh, Do I have to do it again today? Like, if you don't look forward to some part of the journey, then you have to change something, all right? You don't want to be dreading the whole entire, every single day. You don't want to be dreading every single day. You want to feel good while you're doing this, all right? You don't want to feel terrible or just, ugh. Trust me, when you feel, ugh, you don't want to do anything. So you want to make sure that you're enjoying at least some part of the whole regimen, okay? Whether you're looking forward to the fancy foods that you made for yourself or to the fun workouts that to relieve that stress, you have to look forward to something, okay? And tip number 5, just one hand, 5, is to reward yourself, okay? Now, when I say reward yourself, I mean actually celebrate your wins, okay? If you went for a jog for let's say for 1K, okay? You went for a 1 kilometer jog, and before that you could never run 1K. Congratulate yourself, you ran 1K today, all right? If you find that you're out of breath every single time, but now you're not out of breath anymore, congratulate yourself. Congratulate yourself, okay? You have to always find ways to celebrate yourself along the journey, okay? So take your time, be gentle on yourself, be kind to yourself, because that's one thing that we are not sometimes. We're not kind to ourselves. You have to be kind to yourself throughout this journey. Take your time and make sure you reward yourself. Celebrate your wins, okay? Celebrate all your wins. If you notice that you can lift, let's say, a pound heavier, whoa, I'm getting stronger. Let's give it up for me. Yay me. Yeah, like give it up for yourself, okay? If you notice you can skip longer, what? Doing 5 more minutes? Skipping? What? 5 more minutes on the treadmill? Girl, you can do this. You got this. Celebrate every single milestone that you achieve, whether it be you took off 1 pound or whether it be you stopped eating snacks at night. Okay? You guys got this. I believe in you. Once you implement the 5 tips to stay motivated, things will get easier, okay? Just remember those tips, implement them, and do them, okay? Because you're the only one that can get you to where you want to be. So thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, let me know down below. And if you really want to see more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see something else, let me know. I'm always open to hear whatever it is you guys want to see, okay? Whatever it is you guys want to learn about, I'm here to educate, I'm here to teach, and I'm here for you guys, okay? So thank you for coming out today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.